Do you want to know why we ship 3D printers with our production lines to our customers? Welcome to another Machine Monday. So we're at Jendamark's 3D printing lab, and I want to talk to you about the two main benefits of 3D printing for Jendamark. The first one, as you can see, is 3D printing our customers' parts and components. So over here you can see a front axle for a customer. Over here you see a complete catalytic converter exhaust system. Over here a complete differential assembly. And the reason why we do this is we're now able to take these 3D printed parts, run them on our production lines to help us commission the production line. The biggest advantage for us is that we get to start commissioning much sooner, and the other advantage for our customers is that it doesn't cost them huge amounts of money to send us expensive prototype parts. The second use case that is becoming more and more relevant for our business is actually mass producing components, as you can see over here. It's taken us a long while to convince the 60 designers we have at Jendamark to move from the subtractive manufacturing concept to an additive manufacturing concept. But we're slowly taking that transition and moving towards it. And as you can see, the majority of our components are actually printed for mass production and form part of the machines on our shop floor. And the real cool thing about it is that when we send the production line over to the customer, we can actually send them a 3D printer, and so they can print out their spares and wear parts as and when needed. Here's another Machine Monday.